Okay, here we are. Once again, the question is how to solve an equation of a tricky, sum. So let's see how the question was given so that we quickly wrap it up. So the question says 1 into bracket x over 2 into bracket squared plus x or minus x over 2 into bracket squared is equals to what? X. Okay, Peter, this is your question that you want us to try. Have you tried hard? And how did it go? Okay, let's do it together. So this one is always good to take your time and, expand it properly. So for sure, so this one will be into bracket 1 minus x over 2, okay, into bracket 1 minus x over 2 into bracket, and that helps you, it makes it easier. Then you come here again, x minus x over 2, okay, into bracket, and the same thing, x minus x over 2 into bracket is equals to what? X. So friend, what do you do again? Yeah, this is how it is. So you take your time and break it down again. You will see that this implies that this expansion is given as 1 minus x over 2, okay, and 1 minus x over 2 plus x squared over 4. Okay, so that will give us that, and plus that, this will give us what? X squared, okay, and minus x squared over 2, and minus x squared over 2 plus x squared over 4, okay, is equals to x. So all what we have to do is to solve it. Take your time and simplify. If you simplify this, okay, if you simplify that, you say that you're going to get this one to be 1 minus x, and this is going to be x squared over 4 into bracket. So plus this will be x squared, okay, minus x squared plus x squared over 4 is equals to what? X. Okay? See, friend, it becomes so simple. You see this one will cancel that. This will cancel this. So eventually we have 1 minus x plus x squared over 4 into bracket plus this, which is x squared over 4 is equals to what? X. You see, friend, it's becoming so easy. Okay, let's go up there again. Let's go there. Now this, if we put them together, okay, if you put them together, if you look at it very carefully, okay, we have 1 minus x, and everything here is addition, okay, so we are going to get 1 minus x plus x squared over 2, which is equals to what? X. Okay, so now we can break it down and say that 1 minus x plus x squared over 2 minus x is equal to 0. So when you simplify it further, friends, become easier once again. So this one will give you x squared minus 4x plus 2 is equals to what? 0. So we say as quadratic in x. Yeah, that's quadratic in x. So what do? Simple. You know, a, if we compare it to our normal quadratic equation, which is a squared plus b plus c equals to 0, over here we have our a to be equals to 1, b is equals to -4, c. If you use the discriminant, you will see that the equation x eventually will be solved as 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 into bracket 2 times 1, all divided by 2 times 1. If we compute it further, we are going to get x to be equals to 4 plus or minus square root of 2 root 2 over 2, which we simplify it as x equals to 2 plus or minus 2 root, okay, 2 will cancel, so we have root 2. Okay, so we have root 2, so this one will cancel. Okay, so we have plus or minus root 2. So this is the solution and nothing else. So you can take your time, go through it, look at it. From the top here, you expand it nicely. Okay, take your time and break it up. Yeah, are you all happy? This is so easy, friends, and we shouldn't waste time on this. Take your time and digest it. Go through it and you'll be smiling. Well, that is where I'll say bye to you guys. But please keep on subscribing, and you'll be and also give it the channel to your friends to subscribe, so that you'll be the first people to receive notice when new tutorial is coming up. Okay, have a nice time, and I'll speak to you again. Bye bye. This is easy.